Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will be creating a button-up shirt with a skirt. So, let's start. Start by creating the shirt pattern using polygon tool. Add the curves to the neck and armpit area using curve tool. A shortcut for which is C. Duplicate a symmetrical pattern for the other side of the pattern. Copy the whole pattern and paste to create the back of shirt. So the front and back. And adjust it on the avatar. Simulate it. Now the pattern on the neck area on front and back is different, so adjust accordingly. Create the sleeves using rectangle tool. Add the curves at shoulder using curve tool. See the pattern to the shirt and duplicate a symmetrical pattern to create the other side of sleeves. Simulate it. Create another rectangle to make the cuffs of the sleeves. And see the cuff to the sleeves. Duplicated a symmetrical pattern to make the other cuff. I have kept the sleeves a little wider to give it a casual look. Create the collar of the shirt using rectangle tool. Sew the collar to the front and back pattern. There are many ways to make a collar. Here, I am just duplicating the pattern and adjusting it above the base collar pattern. Simulate it. Adjust the neck region at the back pattern. It must be a little higher to give collar a smooth look. Create another rectangle to make base of the shirt and sew it to the front pattern. Duplicate it and sew it to the back pattern. Don't forget to remove the linked editing of the base patterns to sew it properly to the shirt. Remove the sewing from the front pattern and add buttons. Adjust the measurements of buttons from Property Editor window on the side. Add the required buttons. Click on the Buttons tab in Object Browser and select all the buttons by holding Shift and clicking on the buttons. Then duplicate them as buttonholes on the symmetrical pattern. This will give uniformly arranged buttonholes according to the position of buttons. Select all the buttons and uncheck the collision box in Property Editor. Turning off the collision will make the buttons stay in one place. Simulate it. Now fasten the last button by using Fasten Button tool. Simulate it. Adjust the side with buttonholes a little bit away from avatar and the other side of pattern, so the buttons can be fastened smoothly. Cut and sew the base belt pattern too, for good arrangement. Fasten the second last button too and simulate. The button-up shirt is complete. Let's give it a proper fabric from Fabric tab and color and texture from Property Editor tab. Now for skirt, create the belt of skirt using rectangle tool. Duplicate it and adjust on avatar and sew both sides. Apply separate fabric for belt of skirt and apply texture. Create base of skirt using rectangle tool, apply another fabric to it and add texture. Now, select the two sides of the skirt pattern and duplicate them as internal lines between segments. Sew this pattern to the belt and duplicate it as symmetrical pattern as well. Sew duplicated pattern to the back of belt sides of the front and back pattern with each other as well. Adjust them on avatar and simulate the whole pattern. For smoother simulation, strengthen the patterns. As simulation complete, adjust the pattern as per your liking and unstrengthen the patterns. Don't forget to double-check the whole outfit to see any missing sewing line or any other thing. Correct the mistakes. And ta-da! Our casual button-up shirt with skirt is complete. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel too.